Can everybody assemble at the middle so we can have our safety briefing for a site, please?
Yeah. Come on, everyone assemble.
All right, everybody in the middle. All right, where's our head marshal?
Group, okay, in a big group, okay?
Okay, perfect. Where?
Oh, you just fucking stole my idea.
Can we start this so that the marshal can do his briefing? There we go.
Yeah, let him do his brief.
Right, lads.
Right, lads, welcome. I'll be a fucking main marshal today, so... Right, lads, as you can see, we have this wee tiny road going through the middle of the site, and if you don't have a sniper rifle, you're allowed here, and if you have a sniper rifle, you're allowed anywhere else. So make sure if you have an AEG that you just don't move, because otherwise, lads, you're ruining the day.
Who's got the grenade out? Oh no!
Jesus Christ!
All right, lads, reassemble. We just hard restarted the marshal again. Can we have a different marshal now?
Apologies, Marshall. I had
I don't know.
my gun refused to
I know what I'll do.
Okay, go for it.
Hi guys, how's it going? Don't shout, I'm only 5.
I love the way he didn't climb up onto the barrier for that one because he's trying to make himself look small.
I can't get up onto the barrier. I don't get paid to be here.
This is far too funny. I'm gonna have...
Right, lads, remember to not call your hits whatever you do. There are far too many people for us to keep tabs on, so you should be fine.
You better not post this.
Oh god.
Right.
And then, let me see, what else is there? Oh yeah, Viper. Fire battery.
Okay.
Line up right here, okay? All right, Sam, go
I'm
for
just
it.
saying that the auto lock is going to be really bad.
Yes, got him! I predicted his pattern.
Holy shit.
Oh, grenade!
Fucking hell.
Oh, that took like
The moles are
everybody
fighting
down.
The mole's whacked back.
All right, look at this lovely execution.
Right.
Go away!
Okay, what is...
Oh no, I'm getting executed.
I think you guys think...
The wall.
All right, lads, are you ready?
Right.
First round. 3, 2, 1, fire! Okay, that's it. Stop. No more
Okay,
shots.
that's
Just
how
one
you
shot.
start.
Everybody
Move
walk
up
forward.
one.
Walk forward.
Okay.
All right. Start.
How much forward?
Bit more forward. Same distance again. Lads, if you're killed, just stay out. Let me finish this. Yeah, get in line with JD, Sam. And James, move forward. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we're down to a 1v1. Step forward. JD, step forward. 3, 2, 1, fire! Oh, we got a winner! Everybody kill him! Okay, Carnage, yes!
You're supposed to go on
Do you ever look at someone and wonder
okay.
what is going on inside their head?
It's like, oh, what did we do?
Alright, lads.
Your man's after fucking.
Oh,
I pass, okay?
Someone kill me.
Because he has no grenade. Okay, yeah, alright. Respawn and come back
Hey, I thought the man...
in. Lads.
Anyway, come on.
Lads, this is how I feel right now. I'm so sick of this, I just want to go. Okay, lads, and welcome to Viper Airsoft. Is anybody here using grenades today?
He's on the impact.
Grenades have a 5-meter kill radius, as you just saw.